What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. Hope everybody's doing good today. Coming to you today from another auction purchase. Um, this is actually the second one I've bought. I did a video on the one I did last Friday, and I haven't uploaded it yet. So you're actually getting my second one in a week first. You're getting it before the first one I bought last Friday. Oh, Lord. Anyway, sorry about that, but hey, it's all good. Uh, Probably don't need two videos of basically the same thing. But what we have here is the most wonderful and delightful Honda Odyssey van. I forget which generation this is. Maybe this is the third generation, the '05 through '10. I mean, probably the best generation there was. And this one is a touring, which I think came with the PAX run flat tire system. Um, This one does not have it, though, that I can tell. It looks like it's been deleted on because I'm running nice Michelin tires that are normal size, that are not some weird, didn't those PAX tires come in like millimeters or some crap like that? I mean, they were just like, yeah, something really weird, and we're like $1,000 a tire to replace. But anyway, yeah, this thing doesn't have that crap. I'm just kind of checking things over because I really didn't get a good opportunity to check this van out. I got here this morning and it was a very late arrival from the Toyota dealership. And yeah, it's an '08. It doesn't have, I mean, it's got a few little paint touch-ups here and there, as you can see, but these white Honda Odysseys usually have lost all their paint by this point. I mean, all the freaking paint. They're terrible. But this one seems to be fair to decent. It's got the rubber mats, which is nice. The inside is not trashed, so we had at least mature kids, or at least mature parents that made their kids take care of the car. I guess this stuff works. I don't know. I didn't check it out. Power, DVD. I don't know. Anyway, good looking van. The power doors work. Everything works. Like I said, Michelin tires. Now this thing has a slew of miles. 219,000 miles. But it just had the timing belt and water pump service done at like 205. So yes, that is great news. And here are all the carpet mats. You know, it needs a steam clean and a wipe down, but overall it is pretty good. Not bad. Got a little rub mark there. One owner van with no accidents. Can't beat it. And with this being a touring, it is really loaded. We're talking memory seats. We got the upgraded stereo and the nav. And, I mean, backup camera, I believe, for 2008, which is kind of unusual. Let's see. I think it has it. Yeah. Yeah, the premium sound. So, you know, just a little nicer unit. Not bad. So we'll get her back out here on the road, and let's see how she performs. Yeah, this was a late arrival this morning, and I basically just was able to put it in gear and just kind of move it around in its parking spot because it had about 10 cars parked in front of it. And I was like, it just feels good. You know, you can just tell, you know, by how well and nice the interior looks. And then, of course, running the Carfax, I'm like, oh, hell yeah, this fan's good. And we'll do a little 50% throttle. No weird stuff, no vibration, just smooth. Smooth. God, these things are so good, y'all. And it's, you know, if you just take care of them, you know, do the maintenance, change your oil, do the timing belt every 100,000 miles, just do the maintenance. They literally will last forever. I think I mentioned in a video not long ago about the 2006 that was at auction in Chattanooga that had 590 something thousand miles on it. I think that van sold for $700, but it still ran and drove. Now, how well it ran and drove, I don't know. But that is amazing. You know, that is amazing. So we're just going to, you know what, I'm just going to cruise this thing onto the house, and I'll come back and get my car in a little while. Man, this thing is so sweet. Drive straight. The air conditioning is cold, but I think it needs a little shot of Freon. So I think I might just swing by the parts store real quick and pick up a can, because I can feel it getting cold and then it gets cool, and then it gets cold and then it gets cool. So I'm thinking it might be a little bit low on Freon. So might as well just stop by the parts store and let's take care of that right off the bat. But yeah, this is a nice van. Very nice. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. The 2008 Honda Odyssey Touring. Ooh, it's got the power pedals. Fancy. Yeah, 2008 Honda Touring Odyssey. Like, comment, subscribe. It's going to be for sale very soon. Got 219 on the clock. But like I said, timing belt, water pump, big service. Oh, and I think brakes too, because, man, the brakes on this thing are strong. Within the past 10,000 miles or so, I'll have to double check on the Carfax, but just great service history on this one. So let me know if you're interested in it. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.